Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you 5 best workshop map for CSGO. To be honest, I'm not that good at CSGO cause I'm still silver, but this 5 workshop map is very recommended and used by all pro CSGO player for training. So without any further talking, let's see. The first one. This is the most popular one because all people use this map to train any kinds of skills. Maybe practice spray, bursting, tapping, or any other skill. This map is used by all pro players for training. You can see that there is a lot of settings that you can use. Just hop into the workshop map and try it yourself. This next map is pretty common and you might have heard it. It's the fast aim and reflex training map. In this workshop map, there will be a lot of bots that are moving. So with that, you can train your tracking, rifle aiming, or maybe sniper. Usually, pro player use this map to warm up, but I usually use this map to train my spray. And by the way, this is how you change your weapon. This map is highly recommended for every beginners because in this map, you will learn how you can control your spray so you can hit your enemy more accurate. As you guys can see, this is the recoil pattern of AK-47. There's a lot of settings in this map, like setting the distance, playing the recoil pattern, multiple target, or moving target. Just download the map and try it. This next map is called as Training Aim C2. In this map, you will usually use this for reflex, flick shot, and more. There's a lot of settings that you can try it yourself. I don't really use this map often, but it is used by a lot of pro players. So just hop into the workshop map and try it. This last one is actually not for training, but it's more about making your own crosshair. If you are bored of the default crosshair, just hop into a crosshair generator workshop map and try it. You can change the size, thickness, transparency, which I recommend you to set it at 255, color, and more. But don't worry, this is still count as training map because you can test your aim over here. But pro player usually try their new crosshair here, so it's not a very good map to train. This map is just for making your own crosshair. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this type of video, don't forget to leave a like, share this video to all your friends and family, comment down below if you have any questions, and also comment down below if you have any workshop map recommendation. I hope you have a great day and please be focused.